In this video, I'm gonna teach you simple solutions on how to fix Start button is not working in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key together on your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to bring up the Task Manager. You can also press Control Alt and Delete key together. Sorry, Control Alt and Delete key together. In that way, just have to select for Task Manager. In that way, you'll be able to bring up this Task Manager. So here at the Task Manager, you need to proceed with the processes. And once you have opened the processes, please locate for Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running here under the apps, or it might be running under the Windows processes. So once you find it, please make a right click and click on Restart. Yes, you need to restart the Windows Explorer because the moment you've restarted it, the start and the taskbar will be restarted as well. In that way, you'd be able to fix the problem. Okay. However, if not, then we need to move on to the next step. Okay. The next step would be you need to press Control Shift and Escape key together again. Okay. And once you have opened the Task Manager again, you need to proceed with the Run New Task. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you need to type for shutdown space /R and then click on the OK button here and it will ask you to restart your computer. Just click on yes. Okay, a window will ask you. Just click on yes and in that way you'll be able to restart your computer. The moment you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to open again the task manager and this time we need to run the PowerShell. So go with run new task again. Go with PowerShell, type for it. Then check this box, which is POWERSHELL. Check the box, click on the OK button, and wait until you would be able to bring up the Windows PowerShell window. So I'll be including a command text at the description box below. All you need to do is you need to copy it. Okay, so we need to do system file checker commands. Okay, so this is the first one. You need to copy and paste it here one by one. So Control C and paste it here and then proceed to the second, which is this one, DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. So this will restore the health of your computer, and this might take some time, maybe 7 minutes or less than that. It would depend on your machine, but please be patient. Wait until it would be done, and once you are done, do system scanning, and that is to type for SFC /scannow and paste it here at the Windows PowerShell. And once everything has been done, okay, close this window and restart your computer. So the only thing that you can restart your computer is to go with run new task here and type for a shutdown again. Shutdown /R. Then click on the OK button here and then click on yes to restart it and try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, okay, we need to move on to the last step and that is you need to open the task manager again. This time go with run new task and type for PowerShell for the last time. Check this box here and click on the OK button. And once you have opened it, please type the last command which is this will help you to re-register Windows apps. So this is a pretty long command, so just have to copy and paste it. So once you have copied it, paste it here. And once you have pasted it, click on the enter key and wait until it will be done. It might take some time, maybe 5 minutes or more than that, but please be patient. And once you are done, restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.